Just got home. It is now 5 o'clock. Had a lovely little outing with Jill. Nice little Friday afternoon. But something is here for me. We got a box, a very big box. It's literally the size of me. It's my exact height. This is my new bed. Finally, I am so excited. I got a little box mattress. I've always heard such good things about the mattresses that come in boxes like this one. Taylor's tried some out and he loves them. So I got one from Sleepenvie. They actually sent me this, so thank you so much. This is the Sofie bed in here. It's funny because I have a queen-sized bed frame right now, but I have a full mattress. So it's looked kind of weird and it hasn't been its full potential yet. But now finally the mattress is here. I am so excited. So when Taylor comes over a little bit later, we're going to unbox it and like put it on the bed. Also, I posted my Q&A that I filmed a couple days ago. So if you want to check it out, I highly recommend. I'm gonna have a link down below. And if you do go watch it, let me know that you're from the vlog by commenting like vlog fam or something like that. Okay, Taylor's here. DJing. So now we get to open up the box. Tay, should we like open it up here or in the room?
In there.
I guess in there. Oh, okay, yeah. It's gonna be so much lower too. Like it's gonna be a totally different look. This is so, like, look at the squish. This is nice.
You have an eye mask.
I have an eye mask? Comes with an eye mask. Wow, this is like, this is so nice. I was really worried it was gonna be really hard and I hate hard beds, but this is like a soft, beautiful bed. Is that Yodel Boy?
Yep. His new song.
10/10. Thank you so much, Sleepenvie, for this. I'm dead. And it has like cooling technology in the gel.
It's gel, it's just it breathes better than like a mattress.
Yeah. So therefore you don't get hot at night, which is
my thing, yeah.
Wow. Oh, it could be like the blindfolds challenge. Oh, wait, come here. I can't believe we're listening to Yodel Boy right now.
Well, yeah, that's his new song.
I'm so excited about this bed. I'm gonna have the bed, and it's so big. Got so much room to like spread, you know? Now we'll both have like our own sides. Look, you'll be way far away from me.
Yay.
I'm gonna have the best sleeps ever. I'll have a link down below so you can go check out Sleepenvie for yourself. This is the Sofie mattress. Now we have to see if my full-size sheets will fit on my
God, it's 2 different sizes.
Can we go to Target if they don't fit?
Target today?
Let's see if they fit. My mom says they definitely won't, but
I say they definitely won't
I know.
because the reason their sizes.
well, sometimes like there's like full/queen sheets, you know?
Oh. It's not tall enough.
It doesn't fit. Made it to Target. Oh, what is this? It's a cute little mini pillow. What kind of sheets should I get? Is there not like a light gray? It is. I think it is Mamma Mia. Mommy. I love Mamma Mia. I just want like a light gray, like something super basic. We got a basic gray, but I want to look at the comforters while we're here. Okay, fun fact. We're in the candle section. I have this candle right here. It's Island Moonlight. It smells amazing. So fully a candle, but when I finished mine, I actually just like scraped out all the excess wax and now it's a bowl. I literally have soup in this. It's really funny. Wait, there's another one that's, what's this? I kind of want to get another one, like the other version, just to have 2 of the same bowls. Guys, it's Chip and Joe. I'm so obsessed. Funnily enough, I was showing him Fixer Upper, and within the first 5 minutes of watching the episode, he was like, oh, the Target people should have a show like this. And I was like, they are the Target people. So funny. Are you reading about them? I love them. They are great people. I've never seen something look so delicious. They're coming with getting some garlic bread. 5 cheese Texas toast garlic bread. We got Parmesan crusted chicken for dinner.
Oh, wait.
We just left Target. We got all of our goods. Now I have sheets for my bed. We're gonna put them on. I'm so excited. Made it back. Honestly, just got some simple gray sheets. I'm not like looking for anything crazy. I would get white sheets, but they just get dirty too easily. Okay, about to put the chicken in, but I gotta tell you, it looks and smells so good.
Is it like 10?
Yeah, 10 and then flip. Taylor also made some spaghetti for his. I've hit my peak of noodles today. I had a thick bowl of noodles at ramen, so I decided I'm just gonna go for the chicken breast and the garlic bread. Amazing.
Do you want to get in it to test it?
Okay.
Because I won't be here. Go into bed.
Oh, it's very nice.
Very comfy?
Yeah, this is exactly what I would have wanted. You're gonna be happy.
So much better. I like this
Taylor
one. I'll
didn't
actually
love
stay
my
on.
bed.
It wasn't that comfy compared to mine.
It was comfy
Mine's
though.
amazing though. That little one. Candy for the night.
Thank you.
Go
Aww.
to sleep.
Thank you.
Sweet dreams.
Thanks, babes. Mwah. All right, cool. Now we know it's good. This is what it looks like now. So cute in here. Obviously the bed is no longer made, but that's fine.